Hi, good evening. It is a milestone day. That is, I started recording videos 29th day back, 29 days back, and it is the 30th day, and I can see improvement in communication and various like if I want to answer, I want to tell anything. I am imagining in English only, like wherever I go, I imagine small things in English and next and my only in mine only. And coming to yesterday, as usual previously mentioned video, I I gonna tell about I gonna visit for an interview and what happened yesterday evening. I wrote exam, but I got failed in it. I don't know reason. I attempted questions good, but I got rejected, and it is not disappointed me, but because God have written a good plan for me, so I told myself it's okay, we will got another chance. And after that, and at night, I eat it and I completed my dinner. And yesterday I watched Chichore movie. It's a wonderful movie. Hero is a Bollywood hero, Sushant Singh Rajput. Yeah, I enjoyed it, and it is only available in Hindi. It will be available in Telugu. Telugu it will be more fun. Okay, I enjoyed it. Yeah, the all about yesterday.